what we tend to forget is when we look at less digital industries is that digital has actually penetrated every other part of our lives. So we go home and we watch things on our tablets, on our smart TVs, we have smart home technology. So really, I think the industry needs to just catch up with how fast life is moving from a digital perspective. But I think as well it is looking at those benefits. It is looking at how we can make better decisions and really look at why we're doing things. And to ask why we're doing things, we need better data. It definitely needs a big push in the building industry. I think what's been really enlightening is seeing what's been happening off the back of the Building Safety Act, particularly from a golden thread perspective, and looking at the residential sector, which traditionally hasn't ever needed to do things in a digital way. Unlike your public sector that's had the IM mandate for a good few years now. So what we're seeing is a bit of a varied landscape. For that reason is we've got those that have been told to do it, we've got those who want to do it because they see the benefits, but we've got those that just haven't had any exposure to it at all, so haven't really thought about doing things in a more digital way. So the biggest hurdle for me is definitely the culture. It always comes back down to the people, especially if you've got really enthusiastic people that want to drive that change. You'll also have the flip side to that, and you'll have those that are used to doing things in a certain way. And what we tend to find is that we really do need to put in a real large change management program to support culture change. And even that needs to be carefully figured out, because you won't get the benefits of using digital technologies and digital processes if you don't bring the people and that culture on the journey with you.